Hi guys! In today's tutorial I'm going to show you a slightly modified version of the waffle stitch. So in this version you are going to have a thicker vertical bar that is separated by columns that alternate between purls and knits. So you can see, hopefully you can see, there are vertical bars and you are going to have those alternating rounds of knits and purls in between. And it just creates a nice little waffle shape, hence the name waffle stitch. But this is a very simple pattern. All you are going to need to do is cast on in multiples of 4. So I have 96 stitches here. And the first round of the 4 round repeat is going to be to knit 2, purl 2. And that is it. Just knit 2. Purl 2. Knit 2. Purl 2. Okay, just continue knitting 2, purling 2 until you make it all the way back around to your stitch marker. Okay, so we've completed round 1. Round 2 is the exact same as round 1. You are simply going to knit 2 and purl 2 all the way around. Like I said, this is a very simple stitch pattern. It's very beginner friendly. If you know how to knit and purl, you can definitely knit up something utilizing this stitch. So once you are done with round 2, we're moving on to round 3. Round 3, it's even easier. Round 3, you are simply going to knit all the way around. Like so. Okay, once you make it all the way around, I will show you what to do for round 4. Round 4, we've made it back, and round 4 is the exact same as round 3. So again, super simple. All you are going to do is knit the entire round. Like I said, this stitch pattern is very simple, but it is super fun. It works up quickly. You can do so many different things with it. It is very versatile. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe and be on the lookout because my next knit along is going to be a hat that features this stitch. Until next time, keep it cozy and I will see you later.